Look at this cute little lizard. Look at him. He's got a yellow belly. Flip him a little bit so we can see his yellow belly. Look.
Well, orangey.
Orangey? Wow. Isn't he tiny? Is he cute? Oh, Kara. Easy with him. He's just a baby.
You gotta let him crawl.
Okay, let Mimi get a video of him. I want to see him on the video.
Let him crawl up your arm.
Crawl up your arm?
Ready? Let go. Here, ready?
Open your hand. Woo. Whoop. You go on the other side.
No, let him do it.
Oh,
baby.
Easy, baby. We sorry.
I'm sorry.
Okay, let him go.
Don't, honey. Let me do it.
Is he cute? All right. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing you this little one. Put your hands. Don't move. Oh. Whoop.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, is he cute?
Whoop.
Whoop, whoop. All right. Bye-bye now.